Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to lock apps on the iPhones. You can lock every apps on the iPhones with the Face IDs or Touch IDs. Let's get in the video together. We go to Clocks apps and go to timer, click the when timer ends and let's stop playing and set it and go to the shortcut apps and click the automation and click create personal automations and you scroll down, go to the app that you want to lock it and select the open and choose apps. Example, I choose the App Store and click done and click next and I add actions and try the start timer and select it and we choose the seconds 1 second and click next and click and you close the as before running and click done. It's already. At this point, I will show you again to be clearly to set up the iPhone locks apps. Let's see together. And thank you for watching my video. For more tips, subscribe to my channel.